to mitigate the myths as well as to spread the knowledge that it is also a disease like any other disease and it is treatable. Mental health has been neglected in the early part of the human history. The first hospitals or treatment processes or systems, in whatever form, started somewhere in 8th century. You'll be surprised to know that the first medication, scientific medication, started in 1950s only. But from there till date, we have made tremendous development in mental health. Now, talking about schizophrenia, which is the major chunk, though if you take the other illnesses together, they also come in equal numbers. But schizophrenia is an illness which affects about 1% of the general population. And when it affects people, the outcome is such that there is man-work hour loss. So you take into account the population of India or say population of Barak Valley or Silchar even, if 1% of that population is not working, so just you calculate it and how much work man-hour is lost. So it is a grave situation, whereas we don't have that much mental health professionals or mental health workers in our country to tackle the situation. But government of India has now given emphasis to community psychiatry, so there is outreach now to rural areas and other community services are there. So the situation is now much more better than earlier. There is another point which I would like to say, that there is stigma attached with mental illness. So that stigma we have to remove. People don't come, even if they know that they are having mental illness. If they come to mental health professionals, what other people will say, or what community or society will say. And there are some other myths like mental illness is incurable, there is no treatment, and it is not only among people who are not educated or who are socio-economic.
10th October is celebrated as the World Mental Health Day, and this year's theme is Mental Health for All, Greater Investment, Greater Access. Mental health has been neglected over the years, and access to mental health care is very minimal. In recent studies, it has been observed that the access to mental health care in the primary care level setting is at least around 18%. So almost 80% patients do not get proper and easy access to mental health care. Coming back to mental health illness, there are lots of myths related to mental illness, and schizophrenia, being the very devastating mental illness, has been prevalent in all over the world at around rate of 1%. The common symptoms of schizophrenia are disturbances in the thought in the form of delusion or overvalued ideas, disturbances in perception in the form of hallucination, either auditory hallucination or visual hallucination, and cognitive disturbances, that means disturbances in higher mental functions. Schizophrenia is not a single disease, it's a group of disorders, and the various types of schizophrenia are paranoid schizophrenia, very common, catatonic schizophrenia, hebephrenic schizophrenia, and so on and so forth. The major causes that have been identified are neurochemical changes. There are various neurochemicals in the brain, and alterations in the level of the neurochemicals in the brain causes schizophrenia. There are other theories of schizophrenia, psychological theories and other biological theories. Overall, schizophrenia is a syndrome which can be controlled, and it is not due to any past sin, it is not contagious, and treatment is available. Thank you.
आज हम विश्व मानसिक स्वास्थ्य दिवस मनाने जा रहे हैं और इस मानसिक स्वास्थ्य दिवस के अवसर पे हम ये बताना चाहते हैं कि काफ़ी लोगों के बीच में ये धारणा है कि ये एक बीमारी नहीं है, लेकिन ये ठीक उसी तरह एक बीमारी है जिस तरह शरीर के हर अंग का बीमारी होता है। और ये हमारे शरीर के अंदर जो एक अंग है जिसे हम ब्रेन कहते हैं, ये ब्रेन के व्यवहार का बीमारी है और ब्रेन के व्यवहार के बीमारी की वजह से ही लोगों के व्यवहार में परिवर्तन होता है और वो परिवर्तन जो लोगों के आम लोगों के धारणा से विचार से हट के होता है तो हम कहते हैं कि ये बीमारी है। आम भाषा में लोग जैसे कहते हैं, कोई गलत बात करता तो कहता अरे ये क्या कह रहे हो, तुम्हारा दिमाग खराब है क्या। तो ये जो आम भाषा में लोग कहते हैं, इसी चीज़ को जब आम लोगों से हटके बिहेव किया जाता है, बर्ताव किया जाता है, तो उसे हम मानसिक रोग कहते हैं। और मानसिक रोग का इलाज है और इसका दवा से इलाज किया जाता है। लेकिन आज हमारे समाज में लोगों की ये जो एक मिथ्या धारणा है कि शायद ये इलाज से ठीक नहीं होता है और इस गलत फहमी की वजह से लोग साधु संत महात्मा और बाकी दूसरे तरीकों से इसका इलाज करवाते हैं, जबकि एक बीमारी है और बीमारी हमेशा दवा से ही इलाज होता है। इसीलिए हम आज इस शुभ अवसर पर ये कहना चाहते हैं कि आप हम जैसे डॉक्टर्स के पास आइए, अपनी परेशानी बताइए, इसका इलाज है, इलाज कीजिए और स्वस्थ रहिए और आप अपने परिवार और समाज को भी स्वस्थ रखिए। धन्यवाद।
Hello everyone. The most important topic to talk about mental health today is depression. Depression is a state of persistent low mood. The other symptoms associated are poor motivation, decreased interest in work, worthlessness, hopelessness, decreased appetite, inappropriate sleep, easy fatigability, multiple pain symptoms, and several complications to the extent that someone may lead to snatch away his or her own life. Depression affects person's thought, behavior, and overall quality of life. It may hamper a person's life, like there may be several complications like losing job, marital disharmony, suicide, etc. There may be several causes behind depression. One of the most important cause is acute and massive life stress. There may be other biological or genetic causes too. There are several myths regarding the illness, and a person is so stigmatized that he or she may not ask for medical help at all. In that way, the complications become more and more aggressive and severe, and that damages the quality of life. So it is our responsibility to look those symptoms in our near and dear ones and ask for medical help. Depression is very much treatable, and it improves the quality of life, and so a person's family as a whole also gets better in life. Thank you.
Today is World Mental Health Day. It's the 10th October. We are celebrating this every year to create the awareness among the people. I am speaking on the topic of the addiction. This addiction is it's this century is old. People are addicted to many drugs, but with our new technologies, many new things are coming which are affected the people. And it's in that alcohol is the most substance which is the most commonly abused substance. Now it is seen that the new trending is the opioid substance, which is like brown sugars or heroin, which are also many people are getting affected. And I am working in Suture Medical College, and here also we have seen that in the recent past, it's IV drug abuse. These people are increasing very much. IV drug abuse, they take the heroin through the injectable route, and it is not only this detrimental to the health by the drugs itself, but it also causes many problems, many other serious health disorder, not only to the patients but also to the family members of the patients. Like when we use the IV drug abuse, they share the needle. Many people gather together and they take the substance through the IV routes by the needle sharing. And this needle sharing causes the spread of the HIV, AIDS. Here we are testing the HIV testings are done in SMCH, and IV drugs abuse people we are send them for the testing, and every month we are getting like approximate average 2 to 3 people are getting new patient are becoming testing positive for the HIV. So this is a very severe health disorder, and not only the HIV but also many other disorders like hepatitis C virus, hepatitis B virus. These are also the people are getting affected by this IV drugs abuse. And the drug abuse people, it's itself a mental disorder by abusing a drug. Thank you.
हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब,
हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। डॉक्टर से करो बात, खोलो मन की राज।
हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। हम सब हैं तुम्हारे साथ।
डरने की नहीं है बात, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन।